hard to fit? Do you have foot problems and pain? Well, here at the Walk Shop, we can help. We have a beautifully designed collection of comfortable shoes, including hard-to-find wides and extended sizes. Most importantly, the staff at the Walk Shop has the expert knowledge in fitting and foot problems, and the patience to help you get just the right shoes for your feet. Discover the Walk Shop, 2120 Vine Street in Berkeley. Footwear for the joy of walking.
We're going abroad for the first time in years to Spain. So we started using Babbel.
And started learning Spanish? With Babbel, you can start having conversations with another language in 3 weeks. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? When you learn a language, you want to actually use it. Babbel is the best with that bonus.
In just 3 weeks, we're starting to have conversations in Spanish. Gracias, Babbel.
Babbel, language for life. Now try Babbel for free at Babbel.com. That's BABBEL.com.
KCBS News Time, 7:42 as our news watch continues. Last year's winter storms caused some temporary delays and BART cars to be derailed. KCBS's Karen Creighton has an update on what the agency is doing to prepare for this year.
This weekend, BART is pausing service between Glen Park and Daly City stations to remove trees that could fall on train tracks in severe weather. BART is implementing free buses for riders to bridge the gap between stations, and the agency says it could cause up to 30-minute delays for riders traveling through Glen Park, Balboa Park, and Daly City.
Our experience last year taught us that we really need to tackle this before the storms get here.
That's Jim Allison, BART Media Relations Manager. He says this is one of the final weekends of the year to get this work done.
Last winter we had 2 trains derailed because of downed branches of trees. We had up to 8 more delays that were caused by winter storms. So we're embarking on the largest hazardous tree removal effort in BART's history.
Karen Creighton, KCBS.
And the KCBS News Time at 7:43. We are going to check sports in just a moment.
You worked hard all your life and fought for every penny, and now you're looking for a bigger, better retirement, right? You deserve safety, security, and someone you can trust. Does a 9 to 11% possible annual return sound right for you? What if you could have a secure investment that's not affected by inflation, interest rates, bank collapses, or market crashes? With agents having more than 30 years experience in this sector, 1850 Financial can help. They could deliver an annual 9 to 11% return with no market risk, and most IRAs and 401ks are eligible. With 1850 Financial, expect a secure investment without exposing your principal to market risk. So if the market crashes, your money is never at risk. Again, most IRAs and 401ks are eligible. Thousands of people have found financial security and stability using this proven strategy. To take advantage of this opportunity where you can earn a 9 to 11% annual return, and to see if you qualify, call 1850 Financial at 844-703-0000. That's 844-703-0000.
KCBS Radio, proud to be honored with the 2023 Marconi Award for Legendary Station of the Year, as presented by the National Association of Broadcasters. For more than a century, proudly serving the Bay Area and the trusted source for news. All News 1069 and AM 740 KCBS.
Coming up on KCBS.
I'm Megan Goolsby in Santa Rosa, where a free Holiday Lights walk that premiered last year is back, this time with more displays.
I see 2 gingerbread men.
At 7:45 at KCBS. Warriors lost to the Clippers today, 113 to 112. These are Niners. Here's Matt Pittman.
It's not just a rematch of last season's NFC Championship game. It could be a preview of this year's as well. Key to the matchup, the best offensive line in the game, Phillies, versus the best defensive line in the game, the 49ers. Both the Eagles and Niners have a supremely talented front on defense. San Francisco had a season-high 6 sacks against Seattle last Thursday and has 15 sacks in 3 games since acquiring defensive lineman Chase Young from Washington. Eagles also present their own set of problems on the defensive line, but it is the Eagles' veteran offensive line that has 49ers defensive end Nick Bosa so concerned. But he knows this Eagles O-line protecting quarterback Jalen Hurts is about as good an O-line as they'll see all season.
Some of the best tackles we'll face, probably the best O-line we'll face. Just really good at keeping you off the quarterback. They'll let you get pushed and do that stuff, but they know their quarterback's mobile, so they hold on, they grab, they do all the vet savvy stuff.
49ers and Eagles Sunday at 1:25 on Fox. At the Sports Desk, Matt Pittman, KCBS.
I'm Liam Makeup, KCBS, Foodie Chat, The Sound of Bubbles, Chef Dan Sullivan, and Priest Raj, The Kitchen, The Gas Station Sandwich.
That's kind of my Sunday morning.
DashCam was right here in
wait a long night on Saturday.
gas station
Just some cheesy scrambled eggs, nice bacon, nice thick cut raised bacon on there, crispy potato hash brown, house-made bread butter pickles, some jam on an English muffin.
Do yourself a favor, pop by when you can, especially for the holidays, every special event. More on Priest Raj at KCBSradio.com.
He actually be my post account again.
There's a Honda for every holiday event. Whether it's traveling to the holiday family dinner in an efficient or hybrid, planning to a hike to Ferdinand, and powerful CRV hybrid.
Find your new Honda during Happy Honda Days. For a limited time, well-qualified buyers get a 3.9% APR on a 2024 Accord Hybrid and 2024 CRV Hybrid. Brought to you by your Northern California Honda dealers at NorCalHondaDealers.com.
Hey, it's 748 KCBS.
First road traffic back to San Ramon. Here's Jim Atkinson.
With the crash up southbound 680 at Boulevard, CHP still on the scene of this crash. The right lane and the exit off to El Paso. Southbound 680 remain closed. And we're looking at a backup from not quite the Bollinger Canyon Road. The backup is improving, so that could be an indication that they may have reopened that far right lane if you are in the area. Give us a call to KCBS phone source line 415-391-KCBS, but the information we have is that the exit and the right lane remain blocked on southbound 680 at El Casa. Hey, Bridge, the meter master on just a slight delay at the metering lights. You'll find a little bit of congestion just past the island as you head into San Francisco. And let's look at that flash in Oakland, East 580 before Park. The right lane is blocked. You see the light now. Your next update, 7:58 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
And we do have some rain tonight with lows in the upper 40s to the middle 50s. It's going to be a little foggy in the morning with that chance of rain tomorrow. Highs in the upper 50s to mid 60s. There's a chance of rain tomorrow night into Monday morning as well. With fog Monday morning and sunshine for the afternoon. Highs will be mostly in the 60s. Tuesday, cloudy in the morning and then partly sunny with highs in the 60s to the low 70s. Rain returns on Wednesday with upper 50s to mid 60s. A chance of rain Thursday and Friday. And we've got areas of frost expected for Friday night. Saturday should be sunny, mid 50s to low 60s for our highs. Around the Bay Area this hour, 57 degrees in Santa Rosa, San Jose, Vanessa Airport, Boulevard, and Redwood City, Concord, Oakland, Hayward, as well as San Jose and downtown San Francisco.
There it is.
I'm with it on the 8th, and on News 1069
Now
and
it's
AM
closed.
740
Gas station
KCBS.
that's open.
KCBS News Time, 7:49. Of course, Smith at the KCBS editor's desk this evening. A light display that delighted Santa Rosans for the first time last year has returned. KCBS's Megan Goldsby reports it's bigger than ever.
Last year, we estimated we had probably about 25,000 visitors.
Oh,
and this year, we are
wait.
tracking to be
open?
well above that.
Word has really gotten around about this
No,
free
it's not.
walkthrough display, says Lauren Peters with the Luther
Oh,
Burbank
it's
Center
not
for the Arts in
open.
Santa Rosa,
Fuck.
who conceptualized and helped create the display in their sculpture garden. It's called Northern Lights.
We have a couple of bridges that really light them.
Fuck, I don't think it is. Damn.